Hi there, Craig here from Tier-One, and today I'd just like to talk to you about our new monomount system. Now, the monomount is a scope mount which is a complete one-piece mount. It's our highest end mount that we actually currently manufacture. It's all made out of one piece of 7000 series alloy, heat treated to our specification, and then fully machined. Every surface machined in the same operation, every critical surface machined in the same operation. All the screw fixings titanium. It's just a super high accuracy, high precision mounting system. Now, we offer the monomount in two different variations. We offer the long saddle and the short saddle. The short saddle has 3 fixing holes on each side of the mount. The long saddle has 2 fixing holes. The long saddle just gives you a little bit more room to manipulate your scope within the mounting area, whereas the short saddle is there for ultimate rigidity. So we'd really recommend the long saddle for high caliber 338 Lapua, 50 cal, etc. applications. It's been tested, it's been proved. Now, as I said, all the fixings are titanium, all grade 5 titanium alloy, then they're chemically blacked, not anodized. You can actually anodize titanium, but it's just not durable enough. All our stuff is mil-spec black oxide coated. Now, the key feature, to my mind anyway, regarding the monomount is its method of manufacture. So each monomount starts off as one solid billet. This is just picked straight off the production line. Now, we get all these billets cut for us, then we send them off to another heat treatment process, which has been pioneered by one of our friends in the industry, shall we say. Now, what we do then, when we get the material black, first thing we do is rough bore a hole through it, just to take some of the weight out. Then it goes onto one of our 5-axis CNC machines, and believe it or not, it goes in just like this, just with a core hole in it, and it comes out like this. So every operation is done in one. There's no stopping, resetting, manipulating, refixturing, none of that. So what it actually does, it goes in, it grips it just on one end, and then we put a center up to it. It rough bores it, finish bores it to size. It actually does all the drilling and tapping, it even does the engraving. But the thing that makes these things so accurate, whether you're going for 0 MOA, 20.6 MOA, 6 mil, is the bore is actually perfectly in line with the bottom mounting face and also the Picatinny side mounting face. Those 3 features are the absolute key to accuracy with any mounting system, and you cannot get more accurate than machining them all in the same operation. And the way that our machines do this is the head on the machine can actually machine in any orientation. So the head can do this feature, then it can swing around, it can do that feature, then the block can spin around, it can mill this feature, it can spin around again in conjunction with the head and mill this feature. Nobody else, as far as I'm aware, who are currently making mounting systems do it in this way. And the reason for that's very simple: the machinery is so expensive. But if you want to make the absolute best product, it's the only way to guarantee absolute accuracy. So that's our new monomount. Thank you very much for watching, and you can get them on our website www.tier-one.eu. Thanks again, see you soon.